Have you ever wondered why zebras wear those striking black and white stripes? I mean, if you think about it, in the wild, standing out is risky business. So what can we as humans actually learn from the humble zebra? Let's get curious and dive into these wildlife lessons from one of Africa's most iconic animals. First up, individuality. No two zebras have the same stripe pattern. Each one is as unique as a fingerprint. That's a reminder that our differences aren't just okay. They're our secret superpower. Imagine if you stopped trying to blend in and started embracing what makes you, you. That's a stripe worth showing off. Lesson 2. Standing together. Zebras stick close together in a herd. When predators are near, those stripes blur together, making it hard for lions to single one out. There's a powerful lesson. When we support each other, we're stronger and safer. Teamwork doesn't just help you survive, it helps you thrive. Wild fact, stripes may help zebras stay cool under the scorching sun. The different colors create tiny air currents on their skin. Translation, sometimes your quirks are your built-in life hacks, so don't be afraid to do things your own way. Let's talk resilience. Life on the savannah isn't easy. Zebras face daily dangers, from hunger to predators. But they're always alert, adapting, moving forward. The lesson? Stay aware, stay flexible, and don't let setbacks stop you from chasing what matters. Zebras don't worry about what other animals think. They're too busy grazing, running, being zebras. Sometimes, you've just got to live life in your own stripes, without apologizing for it. So, next time you see a zebra, remember, you don't have to blend in to belong. Stand out, team up, embrace your quirks, stay resilient, be you. Thanks for getting wild with me today. If you enjoyed these lessons from the zebra, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more curious stories from the wild side of life. Stay curious, stay original, and I'll see you in the next one. Be you. Subscribe for more curious wildlife lessons.